The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is the perfect solution for anyone who wants nutritious drinks without the hassle of complicated cleanup or bulky appliances. Whether you're trying to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, save time in the morning, or simply enjoy fresh smoothies at home, this compact powerhouse delivers results fast. With a 700-watt motor and pulse technology, the Ninja Fit effortlessly crushes ice and blends even the toughest ingredients, like frozen fruits, leafy greens, and seeds, into silky, smooth textures. This makes it ideal for not only smoothies and shakes, but also protein drinks, sauces, dressings, and more. It's like having a full-size blender's power in a compact, personal-sized package. The real convenience comes with the 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups, which let you blend and drink from the same container. Simply blend, twist on the included sip and seal lids, and you're ready to take your drink on the go. No need to transfer or dirty extra dishes. Perfect for morning commutes, gym sessions, or quick office breaks. Worried about cleanup? Don't be. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the compact base is easy to wipe clean. Its sleek vertical design fits neatly under cabinets or in tight kitchen spaces, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or apartments. Plus, with the included 50-recipe inspiration guide, you'll never run out of ideas. From energizing green smoothies to indulgent dessert shakes, the Ninja Fit helps you stay healthy and satisfied. Compact, efficient, and powerful, the Ninja Fit Blender is the upgrade your kitchen deserves. Check product in the description.